I'd fucking nut if this was my car.
Thank you for joining me during your lunch break at work. It might be 12:01, you just got the notification, you saw that I made a new video, you got excited, you're here to watch more fun content. Well, it's actually gonna be fun content today because we're taking a step away from the garage in the second half of this video at least, and we're taking you down to Spirit Peaks Raceway to drift the E36 with my good buddy Brandon and his LS swapped 240. I really wish that I started these a lot earlier. I don't know why I feel inclined to do all these nighttime vlogs. I should probably be waking myself up earlier in the morning, but I'm heading to Lowe's to get a polycarbonate sheet or maybe some plexiglass if I can get my hands on, or maybe some Lexan, because the rear windshield of the E36 on my hardtop, the day that I replaced the front windshield, I broke my rear windshield. And when the guy showed up, the mobile glass guy, to like fix my front windshield, he's like, so are we replacing the rear or the front? And I was like, if I face my cars on the lift facing inside the shop, when I lift the car up to the max, the roof can make contact with the rear glass. But because front of the vehicles, the front windshield droops down so low and the hood is so long, typically, you can raise it all the way and you're not gonna hit the hood or anything. I need to get some Lexan or something to cover that rear part of the hardtop, because tomorrow morning my buddy Brandon Marcus is picking us up, loading up both his race car with this fully built LS. We're putting both of our cars on his trailer. We're heading down to Spirit Peaks Raceway tomorrow morning at like 8, 9 a.m. We're gonna get, whatever tires I have together. I really don't have a lot of good tires. We're gonna head over to Lowe's and I'll update you when I get there. We're in the garage. I had to leave this thing out in the rain. Before we head out, measure how much we need. Roughly 50 inches across, 20. All right, so I had to literally dig in the very back to find the only sheet that's really close to what I'm looking for. So this is Plascolite. Never heard of it, but this isn't a front windshield, which those are a lot more important. It's just a rear windshield to cover up the rear of the hardtop. So I think this will do the trick. All right, we found some silicone that is a black color. That's what we want. We definitely don't want a white silicone going behind that Plexi. That would just look silly. So window and door project, 100% waterproof. This should be our ticket.
No, I can't seem to find, but I'm really trying to get
okay, so we got some Sharpie. We got somebody playing race car in the background.
Hey, Sean. Oh my God. Rob. Oh my fucking nut if this was my car. Like, seriously, bro. Like, okay, oh my. Imagine having this car down. Oh my God, you'd fucking.
Imagine. All right, let's cut this out.
Yes. Let's cut this. I can't film. Very nice, very nice. Like the sticks, very nice.
How's the shot look?
You're grinding. Oh, that's not the move.
Okay, John, this way. Back to the couch.
Look what you just did. I stepped on fucking toilet paper.
Back to the couch.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
All right, I am.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Very nice. Like the six, very nice.
Oh, 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 oh.
gobs of silicone. Next step is now to finally remove the film. One side removed. That's looking like a nice sheet of glass. Can't even see it's there. It's pretty clear. Looking pretty good. All right, we're halfway down to Spirit Peaks. Got the E36 and the 240 on this 2-car trailer here. I've been up for over 24 hours.
What's up? This is the longest reach ever? Oh, did I just poke you in the eye?
Guys, we're here at Spirit Peaks with Jack and Max. Two front ends here in broad daylight, looking pretty snazzy. Car's looking good. So we're gonna go try and pass tech and then get some driving.
I'm just a brand new driver trying to shake down a car that I'm gonna run comp in.
Yeah.
So half of it's true.
Just trying to shake down this little
Trying to shake down this monster.
amateur
Little amateur build with motons.
Mustang over here. Something smelled like it was on fire. We left a roll of electrical tape inside the engine bay. That's dangerous. Yeah, that was dangerous. Didn't even get to cross. We rushed putting the radiator on. The front of the tube front end didn't really hold up very well, so it got sucked underneath the front of the car. And that was the end of our track day. So we didn't get a whole lot of time to drive on this thing, but sometimes that's how it is. Anyway, took a nap ski, just woke up. Gonna load this thing back up. Alright, loaded up. Headed back to Seattle. Today was kind of lame, but that's how it is sometimes. Things don't always work out.
Oh yeah, made it through a day. Z-Wing's tired. Don't be tired. He's tired. For sure.
I'm tired.
Here you go, Zachary.
Thanks, Tyler. Like, subscribe, comment.